Assalamu alaikum. My name is Adib Haq. I'm from New York, USA. I came to Bangladesh, a little while ago, and while I was in the US, I lost my hair due to scalding, and I found out from somebody that Neuros was a good place. I saw his results. He was completely bald before. Afterwards, his head was full of hair, and decided, you know what? I'll give it a shot. Well, it's a lot cheaper than it is in the US, and honestly, you get what you pay for, but still, look at this. Great results. They literally took 8 years off me. I haven't looked this good since 2016. Would I recommend New Roots? Absolutely. If you're one of those guys who are looking to get a hair transplant on a budget, this is the place to go.